Hi, Dana here. Welcome to Sew Learn Create. I just want to say thank you to all our subscribers and the people that watch our channel. We are so close to reaching 7,000 subscribers, and we are asking that if you're not subscribed, be sure you click that subscribe button. Also, our next big major goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers, and we're getting closer every day. So thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button. Hi, Dana here. Welcome to Sew Learn Create. I'm glad you joined us today. And if you like what we do, be sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification. For today's project, it is one that I'm doing for my Makerspace box out of my front yard. And if you want to know more about that, I'll put a link in the description. But we're going to take a pool noodle, some balloons, and a few other supplies and make a fun game. So let's get started. For today's project, the Pom-pom popper, excuse me, you're going to need the following supplies. You're going to need a pool noodle, and I get mine at Dollar Tree. You're going to need a 9-inch balloon. You're going to need some pom-poms, and you want the kind of medium size or smaller ones. They will fit in the end of the pool noodle, but they don't pop out very well because they're too fat. And same thing for these. These would work as long as there's enough space around it for it to come out when you pop it with the balloon. So these work the best, the little ones, and you can load more and put more in there, and then they pop out in multiples. So they're just kind of fun. So that's the size you need. And you're also going to need some duct tape. You could use clear packing tape, but I don't think it adheres as well, so duct tape works the best. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your pool noodle about 3 to 4 inches long. And I'm using a pool noodle knife that I got at Dollar Tree. They sell them a lot of times in the summer. So if you're making this with kids, they would be able to use this because it doesn't cut skin at all. It'll only cut the pool noodle, so it would work well with them. So cut about 4 inches of the pool noodle off. And you can make a lot out of one pool noodle. So these make great party favors or a craft to do at a kid's birthday party or something like that, because then everybody can make one. Then you're going to take your balloon and you're going to tie a knot at the end, just like you normally would. And you want that knot to have a little bit of the curled end where you can pull it. So get your knot secured. Then you're going to go to the opposite end and you're going to cut a small hole, and you don't want that to be too big because the balloon of course stretches, and if it's too big then it won't give the right pressure in the popper. So you're just going to cut the very tip off, and as you can see, that's not a very big hole. Then you're going to take and you're going to open that up. Going to stretch it, and you're going to put that over one end of your pool noodle. And when I've done this with kids, I've had partners where one kid kind of holds the pool noodle and the other one stretches the balloon. And you want to try to get your knot area in the center hole of that pool noodle, because when you start popping the pom-poms out, that will make a difference. So you want it kind of in the center there as best you can. And then take your balloon and just stretch it down. And you want it to come down about 1 inch over the end of the pool noodle. And like I say, that balloon will stretch, so I can get that a little more centered. There we go. Then you take your duct tape and you want a long enough piece to go all the way around the top of that pool noodle. So all the supplies for this you can get at Dollar Tree, because you can't even buy duct tape there. Then you're going to take your tape and you're going to go about 1/2 inch over your balloon so that it catches it good, and you're going to go all the way around. And I got just enough tape. And then you're just going to kind of squeeze it and adhere that tape to the balloon and the pool noodle. And then you're going to put some of your pom-poms in. And if you tap them down, if you push them just gently, don't push them way down in or they don't pop out as well, but just kind of put them in the top. And then when you pull your balloon at the back, and then you release. Well, I think I got too many. Let's see. Yeah, I got one stuck. So let's put just a couple in there. Then you pull your balloon back and you let go. Well, and they shoot. I don't know if you saw that on camera, but they do shoot across the room. So you're going to want to make a couple of these for if you're doing it with your kids. Be sure you make one for yourself so that you can defend yourself. So now our project is complete. I hope you liked today's project, the Pom-pom pupper. So see you in the next one.